Much to our surprise this year, now that Moodle is up and running, it's the updated Moodle 2.0, which is a little bit different than the Moodle that we're used to. So if you want to make any editing changes or just kind of figure out where stuff is, it's a little bit different. So I'm going to make a couple of videos for you to help you out, okay? First of all, logging in. So when you go to the school website, you can get to Moodle, or you can do moodle.muskegoncatholic.org, whichever works for you. Once you log in, it's the same login that you use for your email in the morning or logging into your computer. So same login in the morning that you have. So I'm logged in now, and here's what your main dashboard looks like. Now before, you used to list all your courses here on the left. They are here, but you just have to expand My Courses. So if you notice, I have a lot of courses that I am registered into. I am a part of these classes. And most importantly, we should all have a teacher page. So I'm going to go to my devoling page. And this is my main information page for parents. And this is what most of you will have. Okay. Other teachers have entire courses and they test on it, that like me. But your main information page is what you want to keep updated for parents and for students. So here's mine. It has all my stuff from last year. I haven't changed my picture. All that stuff's the same. What you might notice this year that's a little bit different is what you can, or how things are named and how you upload things. Okay. So first of all, before you do anything, you get to your teacher page, you want to turn your editing on. So make sure your editing's on so that you can change things. Okay. So I turned my editing on, and if you notice, all those drop down menus and icons showed up. So quick information on the icons. What's different about Moodle 2.0 as opposed to the last version that we had is whenever you wanted to move things around on your page, let's say you wanted to move a link up top, it was kind of like playing leapfrog. You had to keep just bumping it up one. It was kind of a pain. Now if you notice, next to each of these is this cross here. Now what you can do is you can pick things up and drag them to where you'd like them to be. Okay, much easier than before. All right, so I'm just going to put that back where it was so I don't forget. All right, so that first thing is for moving. If you want to indent it, you can move it to the right. That's still the same, and then move it back. If you want to edit something that you have on there, you click the little hand with the pencil, and you can rename things if you'd like, or if you need to update a web link, you can use edit. Okay, so let's say this website had changed. I could edit this website right now. All right, so back to where I was. I'm just hitting back. The other icons you see is ×2. And that's if you want to duplicate. Let's say you're putting multiple links on your teacher page or multiple files. You can duplicate your link here, your file. And yes, do you want to duplicate it? Yes, I want to duplicate it. So continue. But this would be really easy. Instead of retyping a name every time, you could just duplicate something and then edit it later. Okay, so it says it was duplicated, and I'm going to show you. I'll return to the course so you can see it. All right, so now I should have 2 Brightstorm links. What's really cool is instead of retyping everything, now I can just go to edit on the second link and make it something else, maybe a different website or change whatever. Okay, so that's done. You can do it like that. That's a little bit easier, especially if you are doing multiple files. Okay, so that's the ×2. I don't want this Brightstorm video, so I'm just going to use the X and I'm going to get rid of it. Yes, I want to delete it. Okay, bye. Other things you can do, the eyeball still works the same. If you don't want students to see something or parents, you can just hide it. If it's grayed out, that means you can see it, but students can't or visitors can't. So I'm going to open mine back up so I don't forget. This over here has to do with groups or assigning roles to people. If you have people who are editors on your page, which I don't think any of us do, that's how you can assign roles. And I don't think that's important to us right now. All right, so icons, let's go over to the drop-down menus. Now, if you notice, when you add a resource, these used to have different names last time. It was like add a directory, add a web page, blah, blah, blah. Now they're a little bit different. If you want to upload a PDF, or let's say your syllabus, you want to add a file. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add a file. So you click resource, add a file, give it a name, description, demo, file, okay. And before, it was a little bit confusing. You had to like go get the file and select it. Everything's built in down here now. So if I need to go get my syllabus, then I'm going to add a file. And you want to go to your server files. These are all the files that were there before. So if you have already stored your syllabus from last year or had other things, they're there. It just looks different. Okay. I don't know. Let's do Geometry Unit 1, Files, Geometry. Okay, so here's an old syllabus. I'm going to select the syllabus. It's my old syllabus from last year, and I'm going to select this file. And that's what's going to be there when people hit that file. Okay, so I have name, a quick description. I've uploaded the file. It was there. I'm sorry, it was already there. I didn't upload it. If you want to upload a file, like you haven't put it on your Moodle yet, you can go here and say upload a file, go find it and upload it to where you want it to go, and then select it. Okay, so that has changed. So hopefully that'll get you through a little bit. In my next video, I'll show you how to add a page and how to do some other editing things, okay, just to get you started and hopefully get you off the ground. Thanks.